Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up an employer-centered account in Glassdoor. First, open your browser and go to glassdoor.com. On the home page, you'll see different options like jobs, companies, salaries, and community. But for now, we'll focus on setting up the employer center. If you already have a Glassdoor account, simply click Sign In at the top right and enter your details. If you don't have one yet, click Sign Up and create a free account. Just enter your name, email, and password. It only takes a couple of minutes. Once logged in, head over to your company's profile page. Scroll down until you see Go to Employer Center under the Admin Tools section, then click it. If your company isn't listed yet, you can add it while signing up for the Employer Center. Now you're inside the Employer Center. From here, you can edit your company profile and upload a logo, add company details like your mission, culture, and benefits, post job openings, view and respond to employee reviews. This gives you full control over how your business appears on Glassdoor. And that's it. That's how to set up an employer center account in Glassdoor. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.